Hi everybody. Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. This intro is being filmed after the video you're about to see. In the next video, you're gonna see me making a Castile soap. That was a special order. A Castile soap is a 100% olive oil soap. It is a super moisturizing type of soap. So let's jump right in and get busy on making that wonderful soap. There goes our olive oil. Okay, now I want to add a little bit of oatmeal to this. All right, I like to mix my oatmeal with my oil first. Okay, and next I'll be adding my aloe vera juice solution. So in this I did not use water. I went straight with the aloe vera juice. All right, there we go. That's gonna make it even more luxurious. All right. And this one, we're not gonna be adding any scent, no essential oil, no fragrance. That's how my customer wants it. This is a custom batch. Beautiful. All right, we can now pour. Perfect. Perfect. There we have it. I think I'm gonna unmold it maybe after 48 hours because olive oil is very soft. So it may take more than 24 hours before I can unmold this. So in 2 days, I'll unmold that. Okay. All right. So it's been 48 hours since we made the Castile soap. All right. So I think it's ready to be cut now. Perfect. All right. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. All right. We got our tray here. Put that in there. And again, a Castile soap is a 100% olive oil soap. That was a special order. Okay. 5 pounds of soap. It's just wonderful. Look at that. I did a water discount on this one, so the soap wouldn't come out like too soft. It just came out perfectly like that. Super hard, which is good. Off over there. Awesome. All right, there you have it, guys. We got our 5 pounds of Castile soap made. We're gonna let them cure. Normally, the Castile soap is best after 6 months, you know, because olive oil is soft. But we'll see what happens after 2 weeks. If it's get hard enough, but we're gonna let it cure for a long time. Alrighty, so I will ship them like after 2 weeks, and my customer will continue curing them for as long as she needs. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And again, if you have not done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That will be awesome. And if you're on Facebook, don't forget to love and like and then share and comment as well. If you have any questions, feel free to do so, to ask questions and so on. All right, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.